Hey, you better not sneeze on me no more. And I'm not playing.
Baby, no.
No.
What's good, more gang? It's your girl Kyerra Marie, back with another banger. Y'all read that title? Y'all seen that thumbnail? So y'all already know about the prank, y'all boy. But if y'all new to the More Gang, be sure to hit that red subscribe button. If you're not new, welcome back to the More Gang. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, and turn on the post notifications and share this video. Okay, y'all. Y'all see I got my little spray bottle, y'all. Ain't no more poop. This some poop spray, but I rinsed it out real good and I put some water in there, because as y'all can see, I'm about to be sneezing on y'all boy Quint while we eat. Oh, it's so nasty, but it's gonna be water. So I'm at his job. Y'all see his car right here? Yeah, y'all see his car. I brought my baby some lunch today, so he thinking we finna do a little seafood mukbang, but it's, you know, it's a 3-in-1. Number one, I was being sweet to bring my baby some lunch. Number two, you know, we could do a little seafood mukbang. Number three, y'all get a prankity prank. That's him right there, y'all. He said he'll be out here in about 10 minutes. So yeah, y'all. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm like, man, well, I already told him that I was bringing him lunch, and then I was like, well, baby, we might well just in the car and do a mukbang. So yeah, that's the plan. But I'm gonna be achoo. And then y'all, he ain't seen me this morning when he went to work. I was asleep, of course. So when he get in the car, I'm like, ugh. I said, I'm a little stuffy. But I ain't stuffy at all. But I'm going to tell him I'm a little stuffy, so I can prank him, y'all. But I ain't going to do too much talking. Let me clear my seat out, y'all, so my baby can sit right here and eat. Y'all better see so much of us. It ain't funny, y'all. Y'all will see when he get in the car. We'll tell y'all about it during the prank. How do you call it when it's a prank and a mukbang? MUKPRANK. Prank muk. In that right there. So let's get it. Let's go. When he come out here, let's get into this prankity muck. Let me just shit up, y'all. I'll see y'all in a minute. We ready? 1, 2, ready, go. What's good, More Gang? It's your girl Kyerra Marie.
And it's your boy Quint.
And today we back with another video. Y'all read that title? Y'all see we finna do a mukbang, a seafood mukbang.
Yeah, I'm so goddamn hungry.
So this is mine. I just owned it. But yeah, I was so sweet to bring my baby lunch today. So I said, you know what? We just gonna y'all see how heavy his stuff is. This stuff heavy. The baby kids are 8, but y'all know how it is. They gonna want some anyway. Y'all want some Popeyes today? Oh, I'm a little stuffy. It's in my bag right there. A Happy Meal. Yeah, what is it? Look at those peptides. Look at that.
What the fuck?
Oh, that hurt. My bad.
You just with the back of my damn head.
I'm sorry. I'm stuffy, babe.
Alright, you need to be careful, bro. You should have put this in your elbow.
I can't
in your elbow like you had a key.
You know how my nose is sometimes. My nose do it want to do sometimes. But y'all, I got crab leg and mussels, whatever you call it. I just started eating them.
I got seafood.
I'm
hungry, y'all.
He got shrimp. I ain't getting no shrimp. I'm getting a little bit of head.
What y'all kids doing? Look at you. Good morning.
Do this thing, hold on.
What are you doing, Blackfoot?
Soon we pulled up. Let that car. Ooh.
Shit.
I'm sorry, babe. I'm sorry, I apologize.
Now look at my damn face.
Sorry. I'm sorry,
what kind of damn nose you got?
Oh, Bill, you know that Quint nose, man.
Look, hell that big motherfucker out the window or something, man. Oh. What am I doing? Earwig. Sneezing on me, have me see.
I'm sorry, Harmony got me sneezing.
Well, look, you don't have me sneezing.
Woo. It's season of the day, ain't it? Like a meeting, I still got mild. Woo.
What is it?
Hot? Is it hot? Bang. I told them, well, I didn't tell them, but tell them they gonna be seeing a lot of, when I say a lot, I'm talking about every day.
On all channels.
And, like, y'all gotta give it like 2 weeks because we just had a death in the family. So we, you know, dealing with that. Got funerals to go to. Then next weekend we got so many events to go to, like 2 in 1 day, like. So after all of this passed over, y'all gonna be seeing a lot of the more game.
And that's on the game. I feel so good.
Love you, Dada.
There you go.
Woo!
How do you go, bud?
But who truck that is?
What truck?
Not the white one, but the red one.
Come on, man!
I'm sorry. No, but somebody
right. My food.
Somebody right. This thing I got.
And why your damn nose so wet?
It's big. They don't know big. My bad, y'all. I'm gonna edit this part out. Cause I want them to be climbing me, sneezing in your well. You, my bad. I'm sorry, bro.
I'm gonna get in my car.
Why you gonna get in your car?
Cause you sneezing on me, you sneezing on my food and stuff.
I'm sorry, bro. I'm your wife.
No, because you my daddy.
You kiss me so, woo, this so hot.
Hey, don't you sneezing on my food?
I mean, you eat after me. And you kiss me too. So.
Do I eat and kiss your nose, in your nose? No, I do not. Though they ain't got nothing to do with nothing.
Well,
hey.
my nose big.
Well, you need to have surgery or something.
But don't tell me that.
I mean, you keep saying the same excuse, so I gotta say something. My nose bleeding, my nose bleeding.
It is, and it just acting crazy today.
Hey, bro.
You hear more?
What you say, bro?
I want to play game.
One more game? Okay.
One more game.
Yeah.
It's a girl, Mommy.
They're hot, Luke.
Yeah, bro. They ate.
Yeah, but you know how they go.
Yeah, when we eat, they gotta eat again. Okay.
I had put no windows up there. They're right up the road from your job. Here they go. We don't eat windows no more. I said, well, y'all gonna have to wait till we get back that way. They already ate, but
I just going hungry.
I'm gonna get them something so they won't be watching us eat. And this so high. Like, for what my food? Why did you?
You know this stuff right when you sneeze.
Shit don't make you damn don't sneeze.
Well, did I get you? I ain't made you, but you been getting me. I'm sorry though. I know I got shrimp and stuff on you.
That's some bullshit what you just did.
I got shrimp on your lip.
Man, what a sauce is, man. Don't do that no more. Don't sneeze on me like that for. Yeah, like I tried to do stuff. With fake granddad ass niggas did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They fuck got 5 corns in him. And then said gonna be 3 on the bag.
That's it, man.
Now they got 6.
More
I'm trying to see why they put all these corns in him. Like, put them in the crab legs in there. My nose thing.
Okay.
This how you look, babe. You can't see it that way.
What, bro? Huh? Yeah. He's on me no more. And I'm not playing.
Baby, no.
No, nothing. Hey, look what you doing to me. What is that, snail?
What?
Dang.
Baby, get one, son.
I ain't got none of you sneeze on most on.
Peel it for me, too. But,
Mama.
y'all, it rained today. I really gonna get out, but every time I'm hungry, I'll bring some up there. What's that
That bag
sweet
on my lap.
Huh?
Push it down just a little bit.
What's that sweet baby?
What that?
I brought you lunch today.
Fuzz and nut, yo.
I ain't brought you lunch in a minute.
2 minutes. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm used to eating at home. I can't get to none of my sauce.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But y'all eat these mustard, whatever.
Yes, sir.
But when I start eating it, when it last, week before that, we want my dad.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. But you put the sanitizer on your hand. Hey. So you been there working and stuff. I ain't gonna be eating. You ain't gonna be touching.
Maybe that.
That's how he eating.
What I do?
Ain't like you just starving.
Hell, man.
I'm hungry for you though. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to do that.
Now look, I'm sick of you, man.
I'm sorry. Yeah, bro.
Quit sneezing this way.
I'm turning this way, babe, so I can
Quit
talk.
sneezing this way.
Babe, but you being rude on camera.
You ain't real sneezing on me.
Wait a minute.
Mama needs to do this.
Exactly. The baby know.
Baby.
If she has a cup,
Y'all got me sneezing.
oh, because that food got sauce in it.
Yeah, it's medium. I normally get mild, but you know, last time we got it one seasoning good, so I said, let me get medium. But it's medium. They got the right person out today.
I like your hair.
Girl.
I wish they been your real hair, but
Well, that's a life friend.
Boom. Thank you. But you turn this stuff up.
What, bro? How you doing? Give me some kisses. Baby, baby.
We'll reset, babe.
Yeah, you in the break room.
Can I get another trip?
Who?
Another what? Trip.
Shrimp.
That's right.
No.
Get tomorrow, bro. Tomorrow.
Yeah. Go sit down.
I said, burning. I saw you now. The hell? Why you spending 6 rounds?
Babe, it's water. It's water.
It don't smell like no water. Water ain't got no smell to it.
Babe, it smells. I mean, I washed it out, but it still smells.
Now everybody walk past me for the rest of the evening and working on thing. Oh, I know what you just got to do. I smell just like that stuff.
Babe, I washed that thing out good. It probably.
Don't smell like it, but don't be spraying that shit on me. I knew your ass was doing something.
Hey, you ain't new.
I ain't know. I just know you kept waiting. You were waiting me up. So damn. I ain't gonna say nothing about her no, but I'm finna say something.
You got well.
Damn, I don't want to say nothing about her no, but I'm gonna say something.
You don't want it.
Maybe we gonna fuck go.
I hope. Yeah. I don't know that one. That was the hardest prank I ever had to do. They hard trying to. I don't know about this one, y'all. I think it was a fail. What you think? Did you think I was sleeping on you? Well, I guess ain't no fail. You ain't finna go nowhere. This a muck prank. What you call it? Babe, come on. You reckon I don't feed you now?
You hang today? What, boo? No shrimp.
Y'all, but is y'all ready to see the more game every day? Babe, how often they gonna see us? Like, but Quint said 2 or 3 times a day.
Yeah, but
We ain't gonna overload y'all like that now, but we ain't gonna overload them like that.
I'm gonna plug the CD.
But we finna. Ooh.
Yeah, I got some of them she-shell things.
So you know you need to sit down, cause he been sick for real, y'all. Hey, look. But yeah.
Video 8,
This man ain't showing out. Hold on, Mark, you need to hush, man. Hold on there, baby.
The baby. Want some more.
Well, we're not feeling income. I'm gonna really go to Smackalicious City.
To who?
Smackalicious. It might be connected to my car. Yeah, it will. But if y'all enjoyed this video, of course, like, comment.
I know enjoy y'all playing with my food and stuff. And I know y'all, whoever watched the video and comment on the video, come to your house and prank. I'm telling you now. I'm telling you now. I don't care what you do. I don't care you get mad. I don't care you try to fight me. What? Call the law. I'm pranking whoever laughs and comment down below. Matter of fact, anybody that even like this video.
Y'all hear him talking stuff. So when y'all like this video, comment down below Team Kyerra so he'll sing. So he'll sing who like this video.
If you want to be safe out of the prank zone, you better comment down below safe.
Don't say I'm with it. Let's say Team Kyerra. She said hot.
You ain't.
Let's comment down below Team Kyerra. He ain't gonna do nothing, y'all.
What?
He full of cap. But we're gonna start a prank war. She said hi, but she said give me another chimp there.
Y'all remember that prank moment where I said Team Dada? Yeah, y'all remember that?
Yeah.
But y'all, for real though, y'all, let me take the video out. Y'all gonna let me in the thing. They be trying to be impatient now. They like to skip stuff. But
let me find out y'all skipping this video, skipping through these videos. I'm gonna tell you.
You know they're skipping through it. Look at the analytics where got the watch time. We can have a video, it could be 10 minutes. They'll been a watch maybe 5 or 6 minutes of it, skipping through certain parts.
Lame.
Yeah. No, we see all that. Y'all don't realize.
That bad my God.
If you a YouTuber, you will know that if you check your analytics, you can tell when you can see all this stuff. Y'all can't see it because y'all don't have a channel.
We can even tell the age group to watch our stuff.
Oh yeah, we can see the age, the gender,
where y'all from, all that.
Yeah, we can see all that. Yeah, we have people all in the UK. I see the UK on them, Jamaica on there. There's another place on there, but I don't know what they say. I don't know. But yeah. We love y'all though. We finna show y'all.
Shout out to y'all.
We finna show y'all how much we love y'all. We finna entertain y'all.
And I mean entertain.
But I really gotta eat, y'all. This so hot. And I'm trying to eat with a little sense on here. But
what's up, baby?
This ain't working out. So don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Comment down below Team Kyerra. And we'll see y'all in our next video. Peace.
There ain't no peace coming down below Team Quint.
Bye, y'all. See y'all in our next video.
Somebody get that good bag of shrimp and see you all.